Okay, today we're going to look at something called a switch around. You have this x times x minus 2 plus 3 times 2 minus x. And you're looking for a common factor. And these brackets are factors, and they don't look like they're the same. But you can make them the same. And what you do is, instead of making it 2 minus x, you switch it around and you make it x minus 2. And if you do that, you have to change the sign of this plus 3 into minus 3. Well, the reason that works is what you're really doing is you're multiplying by -1 twice. When you multiply this first bracket by -1, it switches it around. And when you multiply the plus 3 by -1, it makes it minus 3. Now we've got a situation where you've got a common factor of x minus 2. It's in both. So you can write it down once. And then you can write the other two things, the x and the minus 3. You see the x is getting multiplied by x minus 2. And the minus 3 is getting multiplied by x minus 2. When you write it in a bracket like that, just x minus 3, that's what's happening. It multiplies by x minus 3. It kind of gets distributed. Let's look at another question. Here we got the same problem. We've got two factors, b minus c, and then something that's different, c minus b. But we can switch it around and make it b minus c. And remember to change the sign of plus 9 to minus 9. Now we've got b minus c. And b minus c, a common factor in both of these products, in both of these things. So you write down the b minus c once. And the stuff that's left behind is the x squared and the minus 9. You see, the x squared is being multiplied by b minus c, and the minus 9 is getting multiplied by b minus c. So there it is, x squared minus 9 times b minus c. Later on, we're going to learn how to factor this part. We can actually keep going. Okay, here's a question with three factors. And we're looking at, well, three common factors. Well, it looks like a minus b is here, and a minus b is here. There's b minus a. So what do? We do a switch around. A minus b. We change the plus 14 into minus 14. Now they all have a minus b in it. The common factor we write down is a minus b. And the x squared that's getting multiplied, and the 5x that's getting multiplied, and the minus 14 that's getting multiplied. You can put all three of those things in a bracket like that. That there is called a trinomial. And we're going to learn how to factor that later on as well. So you can actually keep going. But that common factor is the first thing, and that's what switch around is all about. And that's pretty well it for today.